So, welcome friends, hello everyone. Hope the revisions are going on smoothly and a lot of you are solving and investing a huge amount of time in going about your preparation. So, we're going to see one important question on Ind AS 103 which has been asked frequently and it covers key topics. So, let's quickly get going and also see the adjustments that you should keep in mind in this question. So, this is the question. The various data relating to PP, investments, inventories, the basic data, all those things, other equity, everything is given. Be very careful. Rupees is given in lakhs. So you need to reproduce in lakhs. Deferred taxes, professional limited is 40 and dynamic limited is 35 lakhs. So other information, always whenever you do consolidation or business combination, I would recommend you straight away go to other information and for example where PP means PP the value is 350 lakhs, so immediately you go to PP and you mark wherever is required. For example, PP, the fair value of PP in case of so and so is 350 lakhs means you mark in the question paper corresponding next to that, so that you don't lose on these things. And also what are the, for example, the purchase consideration, what are the key things, the additional payment of consideration is 35 lakhs, 25, all these things, because other information carries huge marks in your working notes and the presentation. So be very give more importance to that. So now in this question, what is recommended is dynamic as a lawsuit also. So fair value liabilities to be 5 lakhs. You are required to prepare the opening consolidated balance sheet of professional limited as on 1st April. Assume 10% discount rate. Key part is in the other information is D, that is the replacement reward and original reward. The values are given. What exactly you have to do in this? So this is the flow actually. First 3 pages of the solution for preparing CBS and notes. So you can straight away go to the 4th page. And it should contain the 3 working notes, namely purchase consideration, allocation of purchase price, computation of consolidation amounts. So the key adjustments here, as I was referring, is treatment of replacement award. So replacement award, that is market based measure of acquire award into ratio of portion of vesting period completed divided by the total vesting period or original vesting period of the acquiring company. So that is, in this case, the original award is 5 lakhs, so 5 into 2 by 4 is 2.5. This will be, in the amount will be a part of purchase consideration. So what is this data? Replacement award 8 lakhs. What for the data is given? So the replacement, so the balance of fair value, that is 8 minus 2.5, which we just arrived. So this 5.5 will be recorded as employee expense in books of Dynamic Limited. This 2.5 will be part of your purchase consideration. So this is, if you do this properly, at least 2 to 3 marks is secured. And another thing is, so when you present the balance sheet, for example, if you see the assets side, there will be hardly any changes. Trade receivables, cash and equivalents, others, etc. What exactly, if you see this balance sheet, you just have to add and just put it. So for every line item of the balance sheet that you prepare, 0.5 marks will be allocated. So you prepare this key working note, that is the replacement award, 3 marks, 2 to 3 marks, and those things, the balance sheet items. So already 4 to 5 marks is in your pocket. Then you move to the purchase consideration. So number of shares to be issued is only 2. So 4 lakh is the total share of equity share capital of Dynamic is 4 lakhs. So 4 lakh into 1 by 2 will give you 2 lakhs. Fair value per share is 40. So purchase consideration is 2 lakh and 70% into rupees 40. That will give you 56 lakhs. So now moving on to the deferred consideration aspect. So the 35 lakhs to PV factor 10% for 2 years, that will give you 28.93. Replacement award 2.5 and purchase consideration total, if you add those 3, you will get 87.43 lakhs. So now 6 to 8 marks is in your pocket, and the time you have invested is 20 minutes. Because I shared all these things elaborately, hardly there will be any changes if this problem comes. So you give so much importance to this. Watch the video at least twice, so that will be very handy for you. So now allocation of purchase price. So DT and fair value adjustment. Only in case of PP, there will be in this case is the difference, because the PP as on 31st March is, as per the question, is fair value of PP is 350 lakhs. So 500 minus 350 will give you 150. Then the contingent liability So this is against the Ind AS 37, where here in case of Ind AS 103, Ind AS 103 overrides Ind AS 37. So the contingent liability will materialize, so that 5 lakhs needs to be recognized. So the DTA and fair value adjustment 155 lakhs will give you 46.5 lakhs, because the tax rate given is 30%. So now next one is, how do I compute capital reserve? What is capital reserve? So capital reserve here is net assets minus non-controlling interest minus purchase consideration. So net assets is, if you add all the fair value items, you will get 470 lakhs, and if you include this DTA impact, so that will 470 plus 46.5 will give you 516.5. Then non-controlling interest, that is into 516.5 into 30% will give you 152.95 minus 87.43, which will just compare the purchase consideration. So your capital reserve is 274.12 lakhs. So 10 to 11 marks in your pocket. No, I want full marks. I need to score 2 to 3 more marks. So then you should compute the other equity computation. That is other equity 8-10 lakhs. That is 8-10 lakhs of the professional limited. Where it is given in the question, it is given here other equity. The professional limited is 8-10 lakhs. So now security premium immediately, because you could see that the rupees is 40 rupees given in the, so balance 30 rupees security premium. So 2 lakhs and 70.30 lakh will give you 42 lakhs. Replacement amount 2.5 lakhs and capital reserve 274.12. The total of other equity that will be carried to the opening balance consolidated balance sheet as on 1st April 2022 will be rupees 1128.62 lakhs. I hope all of you are following, all of you are with me. This is a very important question. Do check it out and do make use of it. Best wishes and have a fantastic time ahead. So we saw on the flow the key things that you should give importance are the replacement award, the allocation of purchase price, the other competition, the purchase consideration, and also how to the trade receivables, trade payables, and inventory, all those things. Wherever there is no changes in the final balance sheet, immediately add the figures and move it in the final balance sheet, so that you keep accumulating. 16 marks means if you keep on accumulating like this, automatically you'll be getting 13 to 14 marks, so you can safely keep proceeding to the other questions. So, and ensure big questions like this fix in your mind only 25 minutes, maximum 30 minutes. Don't sit beyond this. So keep progressing further. I hope you found this discussion useful. Have a fantastic time ahead.